Welcome to another Simple Dad Snapchat tutorial. In this video, I'll show you the new dual camera feature on Snapchat. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video is helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So Snapchat has a new update and it has now gained a new dual camera mode on iOS only. This is not available on Android phones yet. As the name shows, this feature allows users to simultaneously take photos or videos from the rear and the front-facing selfie camera to make exciting and unique posts. So before we begin, first update your Snapchat app to the latest version. You can do this by going into your App Store and updating your Snapchat there. Once updated, go ahead and open the app. Now, once you have the app open, you should get this prompt on your screen for dual camera mode. If you don't see it, don't worry. Here I've taken a screenshot so you guys can see what to expect. Press OK to that and that should take you to this recording screen. Now on the top right, you should notice this new icon. You will see a 2-camera icon. Tap on it. This will open up your dual camera option. You have 4 modes to it. First is vertical, second is horizontal, third is picture-in-picture, and the last one is cutout. Now choose your mode and then tap anywhere on the screen to remove the menu. Reaction videos would be great in vertical and horizontal mode. Picture-in-picture or cutout mode is good for tutorials and storytelling. Now you can record your Snapchat using this new dual camera mode. And that is the new dual camera mode on Snapchat. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.